Tool and die making is the unseen foundation of modern manufacturing precision work that builds the parts behind every product we use.
We manufacture parts that manufacture parts. So think cars, electronics, anything that you see that's mass produced today is made usually the initial mold or die, jig or fixture is made by a tool and die maker. So we're kind of like the behind the scenes to manufacturing.
The main purpose is producing precision metal parts for industry. Repeatability, mass production, and precision. That's our goal, and that's our strength. We're so precise.
Tool and die is used in every industry to manufacture anything. We make high precision injection molds that mold products for people that use every day, from cell phone cases to personal healthcare devices to medical devices. It's a very high-tech industry now. Our CNC machines in our hard cutting cell can hit 2/10 all day long. Repeatability is there, precision's there. It's what we do now.
For many, the journey begins before high school graduation through WCTC's Dual Enrollment Academy, one of the few amazing dual credit opportunities available to high school juniors and seniors.
I got started through dual enrollment at WCTC. I really enjoyed the smooth transition from dual enrollment into classes, then classes right into the workforce while still taking them.
Inside WCTC's labs, students train on the same advanced machines they'll run in industry.
Our labs are state of the art. I don't think there's a better lab in the Midwest. We got the Haas Machining Center is just second to none. It's beautiful, it's air conditioned, it has all the updated equipment, which all the students will run, and most journeymen don't know how to run 5-axis machining, which the students that leave here will know how to program and run a 5-axis machining center.
A lot of the machinery and equipment we use at WCTC, a lot of that stuff does translate here to the shop floor. So when they wanted to teach me more in-depth things, I didn't have to learn how to use the machines. I didn't have to learn how to, turn the machine on or what a Y-axis or, an X-axis was. I kind of had the basic knowledge already. I'm sure Dynamic liked that they didn't have to start, right at the basics with me.
Dynamic Tool has been working with WCTC for at least 30 to 40 years. When the kids go through that whole 2-year program, they've already dedicated themselves that this is what we really want to do. And that commitment turns into good work ethic.
Graduates leave ready for work, often debt-free, with skills that pay for life.
Oh, having no student loans is awesome. I started my apprenticeship and they gave me a pretty good wage already, and then I didn't have to worry about, paying a monthly bill towards a student loan.
For WCTC instructors and local employers alike, this work is about more than precision. It's about people finding purpose in their craft.
Teaching the students, just seeing them, how they succeed, and every day, they're happy to be here, they're happy to learn. To do this for 30 years, you gotta love the students.
I definitely enjoy coming to work every day. People that I know that always dread waking up in the morning, and I enjoy what I do. I'd highly recommend it for sure.
I do love tool and die. I don't know what I would do if I didn't take this career path. I like coming here every day and doing what I do. If you're happy going to work, you'll never work a day.
Tool and die making precision, craft, and opportunity built by hand. At WCTC, it's more than a trade, it's a future.
My overall experience was very positive. I would recommend it 10 times over again. So if you're younger and you're still living at home and you don't need to jump into an apprenticeship right away, I'd say do the schooling. It's so worth it.
It is one of the top-rated programs for tool and die in the state of Wisconsin, and the affordability of the programs and just the staff in general, I never felt unwelcome. I always felt like I was getting the attention I needed from my instructors the entire time I was here. I never once felt like maybe this isn't for me. I loved it. It was a great experience.
Behind every product, every innovation, and every precise detail, there's a maker. At WCTC, tool and die students aren't just learning a trade. They're mastering a craft that keeps industries moving and communities thriving. For those ready to build their future with their own hands, it starts here